Hi everyone, welcome to TrioTech Software Trainings YouTube channel. I am Kumar, Founder Director, TrioTech Software Trainings. So today in this video, we will talk about what are the best modules to learn in Oracle Fusion HCM cloud application to get a good IT job in this domain. Okay, because many of the people have this doubt in mind whenever you planning to learn this course. Because when I interacted with many students before joining the program, when I am doing personally counseling to them, I used to get this question very commonly, like, Kumar, we have vast content in this Oracle HCM cloud. That's what we heard from our friends. Okay, many modules we have, many technical stuff we have. So how many modules we have to learn? What are the key modules that we have to focus to get the job? Do we have to learn everything in the subject, in the system, or any specific modules that you will tell to us to apply and get the job? That's a very common thing every one of you have in mind who watching this video, right? So let me give you a clear understanding about what modules that you have to majorly focus when you are applying for the jobs. Okay, we all know what is functional, what is technical. That we can talk in a different video. What comes under functional, what comes under technical, that all. But generally, as of today in the market, if you ask me, in 2025 and next in 2026 or 27 also, market is very clear, no doubt about that. They want the consultants who having techno-functional knowledge. I always tell to my students, whoever learning this subject in TrioTech or somewhere else, when you drop in the resume, prepare your resume as a techno-functional consultant. What is that? One second team. Let me share my screen. Just I forgot to share that. Let me share my screen. Okay.
Recording in progress.
Okay. So you can see my screen here, right? So I'll tell to all my students to prepare your resume as a techno-functional consultant. Why? Because unlike in e-business suite, technical scope in Fusion applications are very minimal. We don't have any technical dependency more in Oracle Fusion application. Oracle developed the product in such a way that even a functional consultant can handle the technical concepts very easily. So companies also, rather than taking two people into the project, one person who knows both, that is what the advantage to the organization, and from the costing point of view also it will be best for them. That is why techno-functional consultants, companies looking for in their recruitments as well team. So you also have to prepare your resume as techno-functional consultant. Within that also, Kumar, do I have to focus and I have to learn all the modules? Because we have 10 to 12 modules in functional, 10 modules in technical. Do I have to learn everything? Means absolutely no. No one in the market will have absolute knowledge on all the modules. I'll tell you, these are the important modules that you have to mandatorily keep in the resume. What are they? Core HR or Global HR. Okay. Then absence management module. Right? Then payroll management. And then talent management module. In talent management, profiles, goals, performance, succession, these all will come. So your profile should be techno-functional consultant, and these modules, core HR, absence, payroll, talent, and if you want you can add more also if you have bandwidth to learn and all team, like compensation or OTL, benefits, ORC, OLC, any one module of that you can choose. But at least these 3 to 4 modules mandatorily try to keep in the resume. Don't skip out of these things. Then coming to the other side, the technical side team. Inbound integrations, nothing but our HDL and spreadsheet. Okay, inbound integrations, HDL, HCM data loader. Okay, then spreadsheet data loader. Definitely you have to keep it in the resume team. Then we have to keep our security administration module, like user creation, then role creation, types of roles, security profiles, role provisioning, these things. Then workflows and approvals, and then customizations and personalizations through Sandbox, HCM Design Studio, or Page Composer tools. These all things team. So these things mandatorily you keep it in the resume. Coming to the reports, BI reports, OTBI reports, these are optional team. Okay, but if you keep them, that would be definitely an added advantage to your resume. BI reports and extracts, if you feel difficult, at least OTBI reports you try to learn. This won't be a big difficult task to learn OTBI. Just drag and drop, you have team. So my personal suggestion to every student: core HR, absence, payroll, talent, security, workflows, customization, inbound integrations like HDL, spreadsheet, data loader, and OTBI reports at least. If you have knowledge on SQL, you have good understanding of SQL, then you can go with BI reports and extracts part as well. But these components, if you keep in the resume, absolutely the call will get scheduled. No doubt about that. If anyone in a situation that you prepared the resume, you dropped it in the Naukri, but you are not getting the calls, check out whether you have properly prepared your resume or not. Whether these all components, the skill sets you have mentioned in the resume or not. Because I know that some people will think like only 1-2 modules sufficient and I can drop the resume. Absolutely no. Very simple thing, team. Whenever you are in a situation of HR, if you are in the place of HR, just think from your mindset. When you're recruiting the candidate, if a person have good number of skill set, I'll look for that person, right? With a person with minimal skill set. Same here also. Your profile should be talking about your skill set. At least these skills you have to keep in your resume mandatorily. Now you decide what modules that you have to focus during the training and after that training whenever you preparing for your interviews. I'm not telling that these are only sufficient, but generally in the recruitment perspective, if you see these things, if you have in the resume, they are quite sufficient now. After you entering into the projects, you can learn the modules that what you don't know as per the situational requirement. Sometimes you might be looped into a project where the benefits is required there, or you might be looped into a project where you have to learn Oracle Recruiting Cloud. On job, you have to explore by keeping the core configuration workbook, referring to the Oracle docs, or coming out to the institutes like us. At that point of time, on a situational basis, you can able to learn them. That you can have on job learning. But these things you have to primarily focus to apply in the Naukri or any job portals, right? So a detailed end-to-end implementation training covering these all concepts and more than this will be provided, as you all know, in TrioTech. So if anyone planning to learn this technology end-to-end from scratch to the complex level, so you can reach out to TrioTech in the below display number and you can get yourself registered with the program. Okay. Thank you everyone for watching this video and thank you once again.